The Mauryan Empire. The Mauryan Empire is one of the important dynasty in the history of India. There were many important rulers in this Mauryan dynasty, the most important being the Chandragupta Maurya. We come to know about this Mauryan history through various sources. Some of the sources are Arthashastra, a book written by Kautilya, and another book called Indica, written by Greek envoy Megasthenes. Apart from this, the Ashokan edicts also give us some important information about this Mauryan dynasty. We are going to see is Chandragupta Maurya, the founder of the Mauryan dynasty. The most important role played is Chandragupta's guardian Kautilya. Kautilya is also called by another name called Chanakya. He was the author of the book called Arthashastra, from which we get information about the Mauryan kingdom. If you see, first the Chanakya or the Kautilya was with the Nanda kings. These Nanda kings were from the Magadha dynasty. But after once he was thrown out from the Magadha dynasty, he came and joined with Chandragupta Maurya, who was a very young boy, and he started admiring the Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta was trained by Chanakya, and then he waged war against the Nanda kingdom, and he succeeded in defeating the Nanda kings. Son Bindusara also extended the Mauryan Empire towards the south up till Karnataka. He was also a good administrator, and during his time the international relationship also developed. That is, he developed a good relationship with the Greeks. Next comes Bindusara's son Ashoka the Great. You all will know about Ashoka the Great. He extended the empire to a vast extent, and he also made Patliputra as his capital. Next we are going to see is the Kalinga War, the most important war which changed the entire life of Ashoka the Great.